what's up? So I'm here at this old barn and I found this old honeycomb and it doesn't have any bees anymore, so I'm going to take it down and I'm going to make a Halloween costume out of it. I'm gonna make my mask out of this big piece of honeycomb. Holy fuck. It's big. So I'm gonna do something like this. Alright. Try to scrape it all off. And try to get one. Get it all out in one piece. So I have this big piece of honeycomb with no bees or any honey anymore. It's nice and dry, so I'm going to cut it nice and easy, and I'm going to separate the two layers of this honeycomb here. I don't want to break it because I like to make a nice mask out of it. Let's put this here. Cut this over like so. I'm going to dump this. Alright, so what I'm trying to do here is find the spot that these two layers are attached together, so I want to cut them nice and without breaking them. So, come on, don't break on me. Do not break on me. Alright, so look at this nice piece. So I'm gonna cut it straight here. Oh, it smells good. Alright, which side? Now, I think I'm going to make one eye here. Oh yeah. Look at this. Look at this. This eye. Another eye. I'm probably gonna flip it. With the shape of my face. That's pretty cool. Let me get this block here. Now I'm going to cut the opening for my mouth so I can talk to you guys. Look at this. Can you guys see me there? Oh, it's gonna play. That's kind of creepy looking mask, huh? Oh yeah, nice. All right, so we got it all done. All right, and this is the mask that I just made out of honeycomb with no bees in it, obviously. So hope you guys like it. All right, this can be kind of cool. It smells good too. So all right, I'm gonna give you guys a spin. Can you guys see me there? Can you guys see me there? Oh yeah. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Great.